Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is hole numbers 4 through 6 of the Sichuan Regional Tournament Master Division qualifying ground. For hole number 4, we're going to be using a sniper level 10 and starting off with a power 0 ball, specifically a Marlin. We're going to use 5.1 topspin with 1 left spin, then we're going to set up at P0 max rest. And we want to have our ball guide running through the left half of the cup. So the right side of our ball guide should be touching the pin. Ball guide covering the entire left half of the cup. Then I'm going to swap over to a Kingslayer ball, and our adjustment is going to be 1 win per ring plus 0.5. So my adjustment here is 9.4 rings. Then I'm going to center the ball. We hit perfect. Ball's going to land in the rough. We're going to roll out onto the green. And we're going to come in nicely center cup for the hole-in-one. For hole number 5, we're going to be using an APOC level 5+ and a sniper level 10. We want to load the hole with a power 6 ball. This is a no moving target setup, so don't move your rings until it's time to adjust. I'm using a Titan specifically because I'm going to apply a hard 5 topspin with 2 right spin, and then I'll swap over to my Kingslayer. Our adjustment is P0 max plus 20% elevation. Then we're going to apply outer wall right curl with overpower just before circle drop. We hit perfect. Ball is going to land in the first fairway, bounce over the water into the next fairway, and then we're going to roll out toward the end, finishing with a drive distance of 382 yards. For our approach shot, we're going to be using a sniper level 10. Start off by setting our aim, which is going to be yellow ring touching the bunker, blue ring touching the fairway. And then once we have our aim set, we're going to apply spin as needed so that the tip of the ball guide is approximately 1.5 squares short of the hole. My adjustment, which is based on my landing position, is going to be P0 plus 0% elevation at 85% slider, which with a 9.4 wind is going to be 8.7 rings. And then finally, we're going to apply circle break underpower. We hit perfect. Ball is going to land in the rough, roll up onto the green, and we're going to come in center cup for the albatross. For hole number 6, we're going to be starting off with a quarterback and a quasar ball. Any power 2 ball will work, but we can also use the 2 side spin capability of our quasar to set our spin more easily. Stretching out to max extension, white ring touching the rough on the left. Then we're going to swap to extra mile level 9 and apply max top spin with 2 right spin. Then swap over to a Kingslayer. If you have an APOC 7+, you can swap to that club here. And our adjustment is P0 max plus 20% elevation. Then we're going to apply circle break overpower. We hit perfect. Our first bounce is going to land in the fairway. We want our second bounce to clip the rough and then roll out back into the fairway, which we do, and we're going to finish with a drive distance of 326 yards. For our approach shot, we're going to be using a Grizzly level 9. First thing I'm going to do is check my distance from the hole by performing a fringe check. So specifically where the fringe meets the green, at the point where that vertical grid line that's running just to the right of the hole, where that intersects the fringe. So we want to place our bullseye right there at that point. We are at +3. Then we're going to use 2 right spin, and I'm going to have a click of top spin as well. Then we'll position ourselves so that the ball guide is about 1 square through the hole. And my adjustment here is going to be wind plus 0.4, so 9.6 rings. Again, this is based on a +3 fringe check. Then we're going to center the ball, hit perfect. Ball's going to bounce up onto the green. And we're going to roll out nicely, dropping just a slight bit left of center for the eagle. For further instructions on how to play this hole, make sure you guys click the link below and subscribe to Master Tournament Guides through Golf Clash Tommy. Good luck in your qualifying rounds.